Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jacob, the founder and creator of TradeVibe. Hi, I want to say welcome to our community. It's so cool to have you here, and I'm so excited to get started. So, right now, you're on the quick guide tutorial, and this is the right place for anyone who needs to understand a little bit about Forex, how it works, and how to understand our trades and our platform. So, yeah, this is the right place. Like I said, the first video probably going to be about how to download the different platforms, which one we use to trade from, and then the next couple of videos will be about understanding the trades that we send and then how we send them. And you can also watch a Meet the Traders, including me, Matt Nadim, where we sit down, talk a little bit about our past and what we expect from TradeVibe. And keep in mind, guys, we also have a course. So if you feel like the quick guide is not enough, you can always go to our course. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, then we have a support channel. We have a support team. You can always open up a ticket and we will respond to you as soon as possible. So yeah, with that being said, super excited to have you here. Watch the quick guides and let's just get started.